Bats are fascinating creatures. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight, thanks to their wings made of a thin membrane stretched between elongated fingers. There are over 1,400 species of bats worldwide, making them the second largest order of mammals after rodents. Most bats are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night, roosting during the day in caves, trees, or man-made structures. Many bat species use echolocation, emitting high-frequency sound waves to navigate and hunt prey in complete darkness. A large portion of bat species feed on insects, including mosquitoes, moths, and beetles, helping control insect populations. Some bats, especially in tropical regions, are important pollinators for flowers, particularly those that bloom at night. Fruit bats, also known as flying foxes, feed on fruits, nectar, and flowers, playing a key role in seed dispersal. Some species of bats can live up to 30 years, with many living much longer than expected for their size. Bat wings are made up of a thin membrane of skin that is stretched over long finger bones, making them highly flexible and efficient for flight. Bats are capable of flying for extended periods, often traveling distances of hundreds of miles during migration. The Kitti's hog-nosed bat is considered the smallest mammal, weighing only about 2 grams and with a wingspan of 5.7 inches. The largest bat is the Malayan flying fox, with a wingspan of up to 5 feet 6 inches. Many bat species live in large colonies, with millions of individuals roosting together, especially in caves. Some bats can eat over 1,000 insects in a single hour of foraging, making them valuable for pest control. Bats typically roost upside down by hanging from their feet, using a locking mechanism in their tendons to stay attached without expending energy. In colder climates, some bat species hibernate for months, slowing their metabolism and reducing their body temperature to survive through the winter. Despite the common myth, bats do have functional eyes and can see in low-light conditions, though their primary navigation tool is echolocation. Some bat species have complex mating behaviors, with males often competing for mates by vocalizing or displaying in flight. Baby bats are known as pups and are usually born with their eyes closed, relying on their mothers for warmth and nourishment. Bats can carry diseases like rabies and viruses such as Ebola, but transmission to humans is extremely rare and usually occurs through bites or direct contact. Some bat species migrate over vast distances, moving from colder regions to warmer climates during the winter months. Many bat species are threatened or endangered due to habitat loss, disease, and climate change, making conservation efforts vital. Bats use a range of sounds to communicate, including vocalizations, clicks, and chirps, particularly in their colonies for socializing or during foraging. Some insectivorous bats catch their prey in mid-flight, using their wings and tail membrane to scoop up insects. The vampire bat is one of the few bats that feeds on blood. It makes small cuts with its teeth and licks the blood from its prey, usually cattle or birds. Many bat species have adapted to urban environments, roosting in buildings, bridges, and other structures. Bats have a remarkable memory and can remember the layout of their environment, helping them navigate and find food over time. Bats are highly diverse and live in a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to deserts, caves, and even urban areas. As seed dispersers, particularly fruit bats, they help in regenerating forests by spreading seeds from fruit they eat, promoting plant growth. In many cultures, bats are symbols of good fortune, longevity, and protection, though in some cultures they are associated with darkness and mystery. So next time you see one fluttering by, remember, they're more than just spooky creatures, they're essential to our planet's health.